In this video, I will be discussing sleep health. This is how we restore, are we getting quality sleep, and how we relax. This is the sixth video in an 8-part series about the 8 elements of health. The 8 elements of health is a system that I developed that takes into account all aspects of health as being complex humans. So stick around and stay tuned. Hi, this is Tara from Be Well Healthy Living, a channel dedicated to all things health and wellness so you are living your best life. Sleep health is so crucial to having good health. It hasn't been emphasized recently, although it's starting to get better, that sleep health is super important because we kind of glorify in our culture, we kind of glorify working hard or burning the candle at both ends, so to speak. But the thing is that we have to place value on getting good sleep each and every night. And the reason why is because good sleep is when our bodies, our systems restores itself. It also is crucial to having a good immune system because without proper sleep, you're going to have a failing immune system that's going to set you up for other illnesses down the road. So you have to have that, but it also helps to reset your hormones. And hormones are key to any type of weight loss or health journey because if your hormones are out of balance, it's almost going to be impossible to lose weight and to feel good in the process. So getting good sleep is a easy thing to fix. It's pretty much free. It doesn't take anything. All you have to do is make a few habit changes and you can get really, really good sleep. There are things that you can buy to help you with that, like good bedding. Bedding, having a comfortable, good bed is key, and I can't stress that enough. But for the most part, how you expose yourself to light during the day and your circadian rhythm, all of those things can contribute, and it doesn't cost a cent. All it takes is how you restructure your day, building in small habits that make a big and powerful difference. In this video, I'm going to break it down into 3 parts. I'm going to talk about first what good sleep health looks like. Then I'm going to talk about what sleep stress looks like. Again, that's when it's out of alignment or out of balance. And then tips that you can do to help improve your sleep health. So what does good sleep health look like? Feeling rested upon waking, bed is comfortable, sleeping in a dark room, sleeping through the night, using soft light in the bedroom before lights go out, prioritizing a good night's sleep, ability to focus throughout the day, general health is better overall, evening is a sacred time to end the day, less of a need for stimulants. So all those things are the effects of what a person that is getting good sleep health have. So if you're sleeping well through the night, you're rested, you're going to have better, you're going to feel better, you're going to be more rested, you're going to have less reliance on caffeine stimulants throughout the day, and you're just going to feel overall better and have more energy. So now, what does sleep stress look like? Insomnia, waking throughout the night, sleep apnea, lack of focus, fatigue throughout the day, nodding off easily during the day, heavy reliance on caffeinated beverages, irregular sleep schedule, other health issues like obesity, depression, and heart issues, feeling stressed and unable to manage emotions. Now, maybe as I'm reading off this list of symptoms, maybe you have identified with 1 or 2 or more of any of these symptoms that you would like to correct. Welcome to the journey, because this journey, I always put on the beginning of every video, the journey to wellness begins with a single step. And that's recognizing areas that you want to improve or work on. Because if you never look at them and you never approach those areas, you're never going to get it better if you're not aware of that. So having that awareness, that self-awareness to have these areas that you want to work on is the first step to making positive changes in your life, to feeling better, and to improving your overall health. So good job. Thank you so much for being here.
Tips to bring sleep health back into balance. Create a relaxing bedtime routine.
Set your electronics to a blue light filter after a certain time. Reduce caffeine throughout the day and eliminating in the afternoon. Get daily exercise. Get daily sun exposure. Take relaxing supplements like ashwagandha. Invest in a sleep topper for your mattress. Invest in your bedding, layering with cozy bedding and pillows. Work to bring stress levels in life under control. Do not drink a lot before bed. Eat carbohydrates at night only to boost melatonin and reduce cortisol. Make sleep a priority. So I just touched on this subject here, but there is a lot of content that I would like to dive even deeper to. There's so much to discuss. There's just not enough hours in the day that I can make videos for to discuss all these things. So if you do, like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that way you do get notification when I do drop new videos. There are a lot of areas that I'm going to be doing videos on. If you've been following me for this entire series of the 8 elements of health, then you'll know that there's a lot of topics, a lot of ground to cover. And so I will be doing videos as much as I possibly can to get this information out there because there's so much to discuss. I think that our culture, we've been so focused on the wrong things. So bringing it back and giving positive feedback, giving positive ideas how to create good and lasting change that's going to improve our lives overall. I think we need more of that, and that's what I'm here for, is that I'm trying to get the word out. I'm trying to help give you tips how to improve your life. The reason why I am so passionate about this is because I personally too have struggled. I have had so many challenges in my life. It hasn't always been easy for me, and I have had to overcome. I have come out of times when I have had severe chronic stress for years on end, where I wasn't sleeping, I wasn't losing weight, I was cranky, I was irritable, all the things pile it on. And I've had to come to my own conclusion and get out of all of that chaos and build a life of peace where everything is in the flow. And when I say everything is in the flow, I mean everything is functioning as it should. And that took focusing on multiple aspects. So this 8 elements of health is so key because it took every single one of them coming into alignment to be healthy and well and to feel good, to be positive, to be happy, to have more energy, and to lose weight. So if you are just joining me in this video here and you'd like to learn more about the 8 elements of health from the very beginning, I recommend watching this video right here. This is an introduction to the 8 elements of health that will guide you through the rest of the journey. The next one is going to be physical health, and that video is going to be right here. And if you are interested in more, you can always watch the other playlist as well. So thank you so much. Peace, blessings, and good health. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.